Hi, welcome to Paracourse. In this Grasshopper short lesson, I want to show you how you can make a parametric shelf by defining the length. As you can see here, I can define the height and length of all of these parts. And if I decrease the number of the gene count, it's completely going to control the overall shape. As you can see here, it's also going to define the length and the height from the start. We can define two planes and rotate that. I'm going to also about the loop we're going to make, and finally we can make a sheet and also the length and the height of the section, which is really important if you want to make it into a shelf. So the algorithm is inspired by this shape, as you can see here, a parametric shelf, and you can use this algorithm to produce the final results. And we're also going to talk about advanced technique for looping, and let's get started and take a look at the algorithm.